Hi, welcome back to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with CR10. Today we're going to do another unboxing. I have an old Omron 1 3D printer. It's over 6 years old and I couldn't update the firmware and it doesn't really print square. So I finally decided, broke down and got the CR10 V3. Creality's printer, 300 by 300 millimeters wide, and it should be good. So let's start the unboxing. Well, it's a pretty good size to begin with, I'll tell you that much. Let's take out some stuff and see what it looks like. The box. Looks like that should be packing of some sort, but it doesn't even have anything packed inside of it. And one other box. So, that up, brush those up. Let's open another box, shall we? Packing material. Instructions. Can't beat that. It's mostly put together as far as I know. Let's see what we got here. The baseboard. Down. See what's in here. Some of the electronics, I suppose. I guess we'll find out during the building process. The free filament. Rods. Power supply and control device. Quite useful. If you want to put some power and control on the device. I like their packaging. It's quite. I'm not sure if it's perfectly environmental, but it definitely certainly seems pretty good. Quite impressive packaging wise. I wish I could do something with this stuff as opposed to just wasting it. Just in Amsterdam, it all gets incinerated into energy. So there's your main, the vertical frame. So we basically have our vertical frame with extruder. Don't hurt that. And your base plate. So, I think the build will be relatively easy. There's really not that much to it. Like I say, you've just got the main vertical frame. I assume these are your bearing rods and a completed base all in one piece. So I think the build will be relatively easy. Other than the small box of hardware, we're pretty much good to go. As long as we don't knock everything down. So that's been a quick unboxing of the Creality CR10 version 3, and we'll see how it goes together and then print some stuff. And this should at least be square, unlike my poor old Armoron number 1. And if anybody has a firmware suggestion, I've updated it the best I can through GitHub. But anyway, thanks for watching. Let me get together and start the videos, do some building process. See you again soon. Time to get to it. Where are my glasses?